The future of electric mobility isn't always loud, oversized, or outrageously expensive. Sometimes, it arrives quietly, wrapped in a compact silhouette, carrying innovation that completely reshapes expectations. And that's exactly where the 2027 BYD Yuan UP steps in, a small electric SUV that delivers a surprisingly big impact. At first glance, the Yuan UP feels youthful, modern, and incredibly clean in its design language. The body is sculpted with a sense of purpose, not excess. Smooth curves meet sharp LED lighting signatures, creating a balance between elegance and sportiness. The front fascia is minimal yet expressive, with sleek headlights that seem to stretch across the face, giving it a futuristic identity. It doesn't scream for attention, but it effortlessly earns it. Move along the side profile, and the proportions immediately stand out. Compact, yet confident. This is a vehicle designed for real-world usability, tight urban streets, daily commutes, and spontaneous adventures. The aerodynamic shaping isn't just for looks, it contributes to efficiency, extending range and enhancing performance in subtle but meaningful ways. Every line, every edge, feels intentional. And then comes the rear, a clean, modern finish highlighted by a full-width LED light bar that glows with precision. It's simple, but striking. A reminder that minimalism, when done right, can be far more powerful than complexity. But the real surprise begins the moment you step inside. The interior of the Yuan UP feels like a leap into a more refined future. The cabin is open, uncluttered, and centered around intelligent design. At the heart of it all sits BYD's signature rotating touchscreen, a feature that instantly sets it apart. It's not just a display, it's a command center, seamlessly shifting between portrait and landscape modes, adapting to the driver's needs. The digital instrument cluster complements it perfectly, delivering essential information with clarity and style. Ambient lighting adds depth to the cabin, while premium materials elevate the overall feel. Soft touch surfaces, carefully stitched seats, and a layout that prioritizes comfort all come together to create an environment that feels far above its price point. There's a sense of calm inside, but also a sense of control. Everything is exactly where it should be, designed to enhance the driving experience rather than complicate it. And then, there's the power beneath it all. The Yuan UP may be compact, but it carries the heart of a true electric performer. Equipped with BYD's advanced blade battery technology, it delivers not just efficiency, but confidence. Safety, longevity, and thermal stability are built into its core, making it one of the most trusted battery systems in the industry. With power outputs reaching up to around 130 kilowatts, the acceleration is instant, smooth, and surprisingly strong. Press the pedal, and the response is immediate, a quiet surge forward that feels effortless yet exhilarating. It's not about raw aggression, it's about refined performance that fits perfectly into everyday life. The range pushes beyond expectations as well, offering up to around 400 kilometers on a full charge under ideal conditions. That means fewer stops, more freedom, and the ability to go further without compromise. Fast charging capabilities ensure that even when you do need to recharge, you're back on the road quickly, ready for the next journey. But what truly defines the Yuan UP isn't just its specs, it's how those specs come together to create an experience. Driving this vehicle feels intuitive. Light steering, smooth handling, and a well-balanced chassis make it incredibly easy to navigate through crowded streets or open roads. It adapts to you, not the other way around. Whether it's a short, city drive or a longer weekend escape, it delivers consistency, comfort, and confidence every time. Technology plays a huge role in that experience. From smart connectivity features to over-the-air updates, the Yuan UP stays current, evolving even after you've driven it off the lot. Driver assistance systems work quietly in the background, enhancing safety without becoming intrusive. And then there's the bigger picture. The 2027 BYD Yuan UP isn't just another electric vehicle, it's a statement. A statement that affordability doesn't mean compromise. A statement that innovation can exist in a compact form. A statement that the future of mobility is accessible, practical, and exciting all at once. It challenges the idea that you need to spend more to get more. It proves that thoughtful engineering and smart design can deliver an experience that rivals vehicles far above its class. There's something incredibly compelling about that. Because in a world where cars are getting bigger, heavier, and more complex, the Yuan Up takes a different path. It simplifies without sacrificing. It refines without overcomplicating. It delivers exactly what modern drivers need, nothing more, nothing less. And yet, somehow, it still manages to feel like more. More exciting, more intelligent, more connected. The kind of vehicle that doesn't just meet expectations, but quietly exceeds them. The 2027 BYD Yuan Up is not here to dominate through size or noise. It's here to redefine what a small electric SUV can be. And once you experience it, that definition may never be the same again.